Hello and welcome back. We're looking at the Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV 845. It's a countertop oven. We've had this for a week now and I just really love this oven. It actually saves us time and energy over using the electric range. I made these dinner rolls in the Breville last night and they're delicious. So much so that I don't think they'll last until tonight's dinner. One issue with the Breville and other countertop ovens is that they take up a lot of space. And you're thinking, well, maybe I could put stuff up here, right? But this gets really hot. During our testing, we discovered that this got to 187 degrees when the inside of the oven was 400. So you're told by the manufacturer not to put anything up here, regardless of whether the unit is on or off. But what if there was a solution to that problem? Well, now there is. Breville makes a cutting board, a bamboo cutting board, that fits the top of this machine. It's the BOV 800 CB. Inside the box, you get one cutting board. It measures 17 3/4 inches by 10. The board is 3/4 of an inch thick. It's made from bamboo, and it's specifically designed for the 800 series of Breville ovens. If your machine is a different model number, then go online or check your manual for your specific board. A nice feature of the cutting board is its ability to absorb very little moisture and its natural antibacterial properties. But what really makes this board special is on the flip side. The board has 4 silicone feet, 1/2 inch thick, that separate the board from the heating surface by 1/2 inch and are heat resistant. Installation is very easy. You use the grooves and the round corners to line up the legs, and then just drop it down, and the silicone provides a nice steady surface that won't move. The Breville cutting board allows you to store items straight out of the oven. It can be used as a place for storage or as a serving tray, regardless of whether the oven is on or off. You may be thinking to yourself, I already paid $269 for the machine. How much more is this cutting board going to cost me? Well, actually, the board retails for $39, which is what I paid for it. The Breville Bamboo Cutting Board, which gives you 3 options. You can use it to regain some of the lost storage that the oven takes up. You can use it to warm up food when the oven is running, or you can use it as a serving tray. Is this something you would add to your Breville oven? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching.